Hi, I'm Liam. Welcome to Continuity House, and we're just outside our patch rooms where we've taken an exciting delivery from Juniper. It's one of their shiny new MX304 routers and a pair of 100 gig switches. With a maximum 4.8 terabit per second throughput and powered by Trio 6 silicon, the MX304 is Juniper's latest entry to their MX lineup of data center class routers. It's a new take on the 100 gig router form factor, inspired by their massively popular MX204 and run in the latest edition of the rock-solid Junos software. 2 QFX 5120 switches will complete our setup. These are all about cramming as many 100 gig ports into 1 U of switching. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're actually going to be deploying both this router and these 2 switches in our London data center. But for now, we're racking them up in Coventry just to get a sense of their performance, make sure that everything's all right first. These mix are the heart of the MX304's performance. To give you a sense of scale, each one of these can support 16 100 gig ports. And that's just one of them. We've got 2 of them in this chassis. So together, you can imagine the performance. Hundreds of your average desktop PC running absolutely full tilt, and that's just one of these ports. You've got 16, and then you've got another 2, and this thing won't even break a sweat. And that's really the reason why we're moving to these. To give you a sense of scale, this router, 2 rack units. Our current MX480 routers, 10 whole rack units. It's a massive leap forward. Okay, time to get these fired on. Things might get a little bit noisy. Okay, I think they're on now. Okay, that's them all powered on. So initial checkouts look good. Time to start connecting things up. So we've got 100 gig here. How about another 100 gig in here? And what about another 100 gig in here? Okay, this is going to take quite a while, so bear with us and we'll be all back when it's all set up. All right, we're all set now. We've got everything connected in. So we've got 1, 2, 300 gigs between our 2 QFX switches, keeping everything in sync. And the big one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 gigs from our MX router to our QFX switches. So let's hop onto the laptop, check out that everything looks all right. So you can see all the specs there. It's all looking good. And our big 500 gig link, is it up? Yes, it is. All 5 links working perfectly. So we've got to put an IP on the switch, put an IP on the router. We'll just check that the ping's going across. Does it? Yes, it does. Perfect. So, few final checkouts to go now, but otherwise, it's time to pack these away, get them shipped down to London, installed, and then we'll be bringing the speed right up across our London servers and all around the network. Okay, we're just loading in last few bits, all shipped off to London, and then let's get this stuff racked and in operation.